Good news. Replaced by a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Lancaster, southwestern Cass, and northwestern Otoe County. This new severe thunderstorm warning is going to be in effect until 6:45. So at about 10 after 6, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Waverly, or about 11 miles east of Lincoln, moving to the northeast at 10 miles per hour. The main hazards with this particular storm will be golf ball size hail. So I repeat now, this tornado warning polygon for portions of Lancaster, Cass, and Otoe, set to expire at 6:15, will be allowed to expire and be replaced by the severe thunderstorm warning for east central Lancaster, southwest Cass, and northwest Otoe. That warning is going to go into effect until 6:45. Remember, folks in Cass County, eastern Cass County, also have this tornado warning in effect until 6:15. But again, and certainly that's going to continue to run, and we'll see whether this is allowed to expire. We had reports, according to Sean Viale, through the National Weather Service chat page, that there was indication of a tornado on the ground to the north of the Nehawka area, or near Nehawka, and so you can still see some pretty significant rotation here within the backside of this particular storm. So wouldn't be surprised if portions of Cass and maybe the county to the north of Cass is continued into a tornado warning past that 6:15 time frame. But we're about 6:14 right now. I want to keep the radar on this range so that we can see this polygon, especially for central Lancaster, Cass, and Otoe. We want to see that pop off the screen. So we're going to leave you on this range right here, but remind you that even in this tornado warned area, as it expires at 6:15, it's been replaced by a new severe thunderstorm warning area for east central Lancaster, southwest Cass, and northwest Otoe that will be in effect until 6:45, with the main threat now with this particular cell being golf ball size hail. So that's the situation there. We continue with a good chunk of Lancaster County, including most of the Lincoln Metro, under a severe thunderstorm warning here, and also a good chunk of Seward and portions of Saline County, where we continue with the severe thunderstorm warning there as well. So again, we're going to leave it on Storm Tracker radar. You can see a brand new severe thunderstorm warning popping up over portions of Saline County. So Sean's going to get that to us as soon as we can, but you can see this line of storms now that continues from portions of southern Lancaster and then back towards the south and west through Wilbur and DeWitt, just to the east of Western. This is going to be a new severe thunderstorm warning, and that's more than likely going to go until 7 o'clock. We also had another polygon pop on just to the west of this area, so when Sean gets a chance, and believe me, folks, we got as many meteorologists as we have on staff working furiously to keep you updated on this. We're going to move the radar a little bit to the west, because I think we've got a new warning to our west here. This looks like it's going to be a new warning for a good chunk of Fillmore County. Now, Sean, I know you're really busy, but let's move the radar back to where we could see that tornado warning for portions of Lancaster and portions of Cass. It is gone. Our tornado warning polygon is gone. Again, that's very good news. Not that these thunderstorms aren't going to continue to produce threatening weather in the form of large-size hail, flash flooding, and some dangerous lightning, but there is an expiration now as we move past 6:15. Central Lancaster, portions of Cass and Otoe, now no longer under this particular tornado warning. There is a small sliver of eastern Cass that continues under that particular tornado warning, and we'll have to see whether that's extended or not. So several severe thunderstorm warnings. Sean, when you get a chance, if you could widen the view out for us a little bit so we'd get an idea how much of southeastern and south central Nebraska is now looking at severe thunderstorm warnings. If you could widen that view, I'll step off the screen here so the folks that haven't had a chance to see their areas, because we've spent so much time on these tornado warnings for Lancaster and for Cass County, give them a little bit better idea of what we're looking at. So the storm south of Hastings does not appear severe. Obviously, York County is included in a portion of a severe thunderstorm warning there, but nothing really threatening in the York County area. That is Fillmore County, where almost the entire county is filled with a gold polygon indicating a severe thunderstorm warning there. And then we've got portions of Seward, Lancaster under a severe thunderstorm warning, portions of eastern Lancaster and portions of Cass and Otoe, and then that newest severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Lancaster, northwestern Gage, and a good chunk of eastern Saline County. That's the severe thunderstorm warning there, and that's going to be till 7 o'clock. I'm guessing 7, Sean? 6:45. Okay, they're going to
half dollar sized hail.
And half-dollar size hail associated with that one. What is that? We've also want to quickly check out these two warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, just south of that Nebraska-Kansas line. One just to the south of Jefferson. Give me what county that is. Are we talking about? That's no, I don't think that's right. That's got to be.
Oh yeah,
Washington.
You've got Washington.
Okay,
there,
that's
yes.
Washington County. Again, Sean's done a great job trying to keep me on the straight and narrow here this afternoon. These things have come fast and furious. So we're looking at Washington County there, Cloud County, some other storms around Jewell County. Republic County could be looking at some heavy activity as well. So right now, we're going to take a little bit of a weather break. We're going to throw it back over to Bridget for some additional information on this late afternoon, early evening severe weather event over southeastern Nebraska. So Bridget, over to you. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes.
All right. Thank you very much, Ken. We've got Nicole Griffin, who is live near 70th.